How does Xero Australia pay the clearinghouse? Let's dive right into how the system works and how it can benefit your business. You're going to learn how Xero Australia makes the process seamless, quick, and automated. Xero makes paying the clearinghouse incredibly straightforward. The clearinghouse in Australia acts as an intermediary between employers and superannuation funds, helping businesses make superannuation payments easily. Xero, with its cloud-based accounting system, integrates directly with this clearinghouse to help automate the process, saving you time and reducing the chances of errors. To pay through the clearinghouse using Xero, all you need to do is ensure your employees' superannuation details are up to date in Xero's system. Xero will automatically calculate the amounts based on the employee's salary and superannuation settings. Once that's all set, you can create a batch payment file directly from within the software. This file is then uploaded to the clearinghouse, where the payments are distributed to your employees' chosen superannuation funds. It's that easy. The best part? Xero ensures that the payment and reporting process is automated, making it efficient and error-free. This means you're not manually transferring funds to each individual superannuation provider. Xero and the clearinghouse take care of all that. Not only does Xero streamline this process, but it also keeps your records compliant with Australian superannuation laws. With the clearinghouse integrated, you can be sure that all the calculations and payments align with what's required by law. The process is also paperless, so there's no need to deal with bulky paperwork. The information is all updated in real time, allowing you to track every transaction and payment without any hassle. Xero ensures that your business remains compliant without the headache of manually managing your superannuation contributions. If you're new to Xero, one of the things you'll quickly appreciate is how user-friendly the platform is. You don't need to be an expert in payroll or superannuation to get the most out of Xero. It simplifies everything, helping you stay on top of deadlines and payment requirements. And if you're thinking about getting started with Xero, you're in luck. Through the first link below, you can access Xero for completely free, along with exclusive bonuses that will help you get started right away. You'll get all the tools you need to streamline your business processes, including managing the clearinghouse payments seamlessly. As we wrap up, remember that with Xero, paying the clearinghouse is a simple, efficient, and secure process. Whether you're a small business or a larger operation, this software has everything you need to stay compliant and keep your workflow smooth. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial through the link below to start using Xero today and make your business more efficient than ever before.